So, good evening everyone. So, my name is Jericho Esalo. Today is July 14, 2025. So, it's 10:52 in the evening. So, happy na alas 11. So, my first question is, what is first aid? So, first aid is the immediate and temporary care given to someone who is injured or suddenly become ill before professional medical help arrives. So, so that is the answer for the question number one. So, let's proceed to the second question. So, question number two is, what are the three main goals of giving first aid? So, the first goal is to preserve life. Number two is to protect the condition from getting worse. Question number three is to promote recovery. So, let's proceed to the question number three. So, let's two reasons why first aid is important. So it can lives during emergencies. So, emergen- it helps prevent future harm for our far harm or injured before medical profession arrive. So question number four is, who is a first aider? A first aider is a trained person who give immediate care and assistance to someone who is injured or sick until profession helps arrives. So question number five is, a student first aider should stay calm and assess the situation. Call for help or alert an adult or teacher when when the injury is on the school or in a public places. So provide basic care like stop stopping bleeding or making the person comfortable. So that is the part one of my question and my answer. So let's proceed to the part two. So part two is thinking activity. So imagine this situation. So you are in the school playground and your classmate falls and gets it cut on their leg. So the wound is bleeding. What will you do as a student first aider? So the first thing you do is stay calm and comfort stay calm and comfort my classmates so they don't panic. So this is the first one is the most important. So the second one is call for help by alerting a teacher or school nurse. So in case, so we just call the school nurse. And number three is wash my hands if possible or wear gloves, then apply pressure to the wound using a clean cloth. Yours using a clean cloth for aware infections. Thank you.